An abandoned medical van.
We'll fix you up now, Seryozha.
I'm not here.
I have a patient. I'm heading out.
Please. God damn it. Wait, I'm begging you, Via. Please, wait.
Yeah, it should work. I really hate these Lotta Larguses. I can't stand any of this. Hello?
Hello, Via.
Seryozha?
Please help me.
Help you? What happened?
I'm in big trouble. I'm alone in the forest.
Well, you're having a hard time?
It's serious.
Yeah.
Drunk orderlies were driving me in an ambulance. They crashed into a tree and left me here.
What? They left the van?
Yes.
Are you lying in the abandoned van?
Right now, this really is an abandoned ambulance in the forest. There's no one here, just me alone. Please help me.
Understood, I'm coming now. Say no more.
Huh? You're leaving? What, Via? Are you coming to get me? I hope so.
I'm tracking Seryozha's location so I can always find him, but GPS works poorly in this forest. It's okay. I've found abandoned vans in the forest and elsewhere many times, so I have all the coordinates. We'll figure it out. I'll find this Seryozha, but the most important thing is to find the van. Whoa! Now that's a real find. Tracks. Look, tire tracks. He mentioned something about drunk orderlies who ran away. Well, these must be their tracks. It's all very simple. This time it's elementary. We'll follow the tracks and find the vehicle. We'll follow these tracks, find the orderlies who abandoned Seryozha and kick their asses. Forget Seryozha and the orderlies. Let's just find the car. Oh, here it is. We found it. An abandoned ambulance van. Seriously, just look at this, guys. This is an amazing find. Unbelievable. Wow, medical gowns, all kinds of caps, a mask. So this is just a regular medical cap and this one is surgical. Only serious doctors have these like me. By the way, I dreamed of becoming a doctor when I was a kid. And you, write in the comments what you wanted to be. Guys, we found a real abandoned, oh, it knocked down a tree. Seryozha was saying something about drunk drivers over there. All right, let's see what we have here. Whoa!
Oh.
Seryozha.
Yeah.
Hello?
You came.
Look, here is the second part of this surgeon's costume. Seryozha, hi. Hey, Seri, come on, what's up?
Via, you came.
We'll fix you up now, Seryozha. This is my ambulance now. You have to be a doctor to drive it, right? That's right.
Help me, Via.
It doesn't fit or something.
I'm cold.
What happened there? Tell me.
Drunk orderlies were transporting me and left me here.
I understand that, but I want to know how you got in this van.
We went to that lousy village Dorino for a birthday.
Okay.
We got drunk on some bootleg liquor there, and I even broke my arm.
You broke your arm? Oh, I'm so sorry.
They took me back to Perm, basically. They were driving drunk. They were at that birthday party, too. And basically, they crashed and left me here, ran away.
Yeah, Seryozha, shut up. Stop making things up. None of this is true.
They have a camera there, idiot.
There's a camera? That's important. Let's go. Let's check it out. Yeah, there's really a surveillance camera here.
Can you take a look right now?
Of course, right now, I have my iPad with me.
Via, let's not do this right now, please. I feel bad.
First, I'll make sure you're not lying to me, then we'll talk.
And please, hurry up and check your file and get me out of here, Via.
All right, deal. I'm turning it on.
They called me in over the holidays. Well, damn, that's honestly the most upsetting thing.
Seriously, look, the orderlies are kind of weird. They act really strange somehow.
They're idiots, drunk.
Honestly, today, anyway. Well, yeah, I'm a bit drunk. It's okay. That's normal. Me too.
You too?
Yeah. Hey, shut up over there. Yeah, close your mouth.
Yeah. They're really drunk, basically.
Yeah, they're totally drunk. I'm not even sure they're orderlies.
We keep driving and driving, but all they do is complain. In this old bucket. They can't give us a new car. The wipers don't even work.
Idiots, really idiots from Dorino.
Are you even sure we're going the right way? We ended up in some forest, huh? Are you sure about this?
Yeah, of course, I've been here 100 times already.
Wait.
Whoa! That hit hard.
Come on, Valero, what are you doing? Now we have to answer for the car and him, damn it. Let's just leave. Hey, listen, is this guy going to rat us out? He'll tell everything, right?
Come on, he's so badly intoxicated. He'll be dead in a couple of hours.
Oh, right, you saw him. Anyway, let's go. We were never here.
Yeah.
Is that how they transport patients, huh?
Yeah, they even left me here.
Of course, they were drunk and caused a traffic accident. All right, I get it. At least now we know that Seryozha isn't lying to us. Let's see what we can do here.
What's there to look at, Via? Just take me and get me out of here, please.
Yeah. Look at this awesome van. It's barely rusty. Well, a little dented, of course.
Via.
Okay. Oh, wow, guys, look, I've never seen a van with this kind of equipment inside. These are some kind of medicines. Look, there are IV drips installed right here. The IV goes straight to Seryozha. That's awesome. And there's a stretcher like that, right?
Please help.
I'm starting this car now and we'll drive out of here in it together.
No, please, Via, don't. Just take me away from here.
We'll start it now. Everything will be fine.
Please, Via.
That's funny. Flashing lights, sirens, everything as it should be. Oh, more gowns. That's an orderly. That's not serious. I'm a surgeon. I need to find gloves. Maybe I can even operate on Seryozha.
No, I'm not here.
Look.
No.
The drunks even left the keys in the car. You know what, Seryozha? I've told you 100 times. Stop drinking. All your problems are because of this booze. Damn, it really jammed in there. I was too quick to say it's not rotten, of course. It's already a bit worn out. But we all know that for a buhanka, that's nothing. Oh, the heater works. Oh, the engine is turning over. It's turning over, but not starting. I see. Oh, all of this is completely unnecessary. Basically, I'm kind of a surgeon myself, just an automotive one, aren't I?
Via, please help.
Listen here, you.
Get me out of here. Let's go.
Stonota. I'm an automotive surgeon, doctor of UAZ studies.
Get me out of here.
I'm working on it. We'll leave right now.
Can I just...
Alcohol.
Get me out of here. Oh, give me that. Thank you.
The fuel is coming in here. So, in short, there's a spark too. That means the problem is with the fuel supply. It's probably clogged after the filter. This can be fixed in no time. There you go. This is also an extra part. You need to drip some fuel here. If it keeps dripping, we'll start up without any problems. Fuel. Is there any gasoline here?
I'm warm now.
I'm happy for you. Are you all right, Seryozha?
Yeah.
Alcohol. That counts as fuel too, right? There, it worked. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, that can definitely work as fuel. Let's test my idea. We need to add this to the carburetor. Now we need to check. Wow, now that's good. Basically, you add it and it starts up. Everything here is broken, everything is just a mess. Look, the problem is with this tube. Basically, it dried out and broke. Then we need to come up with a new way to supply fuel to the carburetor.
Maybe you could just take me away from here, huh? How about you don't come up with anything?
I've got an idea. Here it is, yeah. Looks like I'll have to work with you a little bit after all. So, Seryozha, are you okay? Hang in there. Oh, yeah. That's what I need. Everything's fine, that's all.
You're an idiot.
Everything's fine, don't worry. Is this what you need? What's poured in there?
I don't know. The drunk guys left it for me.
Lie down.
Idiot.
Some kind of cap. We pour alcohol in here. Now this will drip into the carburetor. Basically, it's the same fuel system. What are you doing?
But at least it's warm now.
We're making a small surgical incision. We hang this right here in the van. Okay, we open it up here. Oh, it's working. We put the tube right here. Now it will drip like this. Let's check it. Ha ha ha! It's working as it should. Surgeon Via fixed everything. Here's the gas tank. It's dangerous, really, but everything's fine. Are you okay?
It's better now.
It's better now. That's good.
We're going, right?
We're heading out. Seryozha, are you okay? Feeling all right?
Via, that's it, we're going.
We're going to faraway lands.
Thank you, Via.
Yeah, of course. Go ahead. So, Seryozha, is everything okay with you?
I'm fine.
We're on our way, we're on our way. Oh, it's going well. We'll turn around now, don't worry.
Please be more careful.
It's fine. The most important thing is not to stop. We can't stop or we'll get stuck, and we can't get stuck.
No, damn, no.
Everything's fine.
Wait, Via, no, wait.
I didn't mean to.
Via, please.
Guys, check it out, guys. Look what I found. This is awesome. So how does it work? Hello. Oh, look. Whoa. Ha, pretty cool, right? Okay, hello.
Via, what are you doing?
We're changing lanes. Okay, that's it. Let's go. I'm on my way. I have a patient.
What are you doing?
Everything's fine. Damn, I'm stuck again. A yank. And let's go to save Seryozha. I have a patient.
Wait, my door opened, Via.
It's okay, Seryozha.
The door is open. The door.
Whoa.
The door is open.
No way. Oh, it popped out of gear. Damn, what's wrong again? There's so much snow here. This van is really something, huh? Damn, looks like I drained the battery, I think. And how am I supposed to get out of here now? Just look at the mess I got myself into. Seryozha, what were you yelling about over there, geez?
You're an idiot, Via. You're an idiot. I hit my hand several times.
None of that matters. Is there a spare battery here? Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a defibrillator. We already found one like this in our previous video when we were magnet fishing for a similar car. You can check it out by following the prompt. By the way, let us know in the comments which videos are your favorites. Is it magnet fishing or car adventures? I'm curious to know, and if you're still watching and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. This thing gives off a powerful electromagnetic pulse. If it works, we can use it to start the engine, even though the battery is dead.
But how will we know if it works or not?
I'm a doctor, Seryozha. Step aside. Okay, I think this is how you turn it on.
So does that mean it works?
Let me see.
Idiot.
Yeah, it works. It works, guys! Ha ha ha! Probably no one has ever jump-started this van with a defibrillator before, but I can handle it. This goes here. Everything in this van comes apart in no time. Press it. Power everything up. Power. Let's set it to maximum. The main thing is that nothing catches fire. There. That sound started again. And we put this one on positive, this one on negative. Oh, it's sizzling. Okay, let's see. Come on. That's it, awesome.
Via, I feel sick.
Everything worked. Are you feeling sick? What happened?
I need to go to the hospital, Via.
Yeah, right, I forgot about you. Okay, we're going to the hospital then, right? We're going at full speed.
No, not at full speed, please.
We're going really fast now, as fast as possible. Step on it and go. We need to take Seryozha to the hospital. Let's go.
No, carefully, please. I'm being tossed around in the car, Via.
Go.
Please, be more careful, Via. Man. Careful, Via, please.
I don't remember which way the hospital is. Oh, now that's some speed.
Please do it!
Now that's a good pace.
What are you doing? God damn it.
It's all right. I think the hospital was to the right. Yeah, I think it's to the right here.
Don't, Via, please stop, I'm asking you. Damn it, my doors are open.
I'll set the route and everything will be fine.
Please stop.
There's a sharp turn here.
I'm begging you, please stop, Via.
Seryozha fell out. Seryozha lost the patient. How did that happen? Damn, Seryozha, how did that happen? Seryozha Opera Theater. Damn, are you alive? You didn't break anything, did you? Hold on. I don't understand how it works. Easy. Come on, Seryozha, we'll fix you up now.
You're an idiot, Via.
What the hell? Hey, are you stupid or something? Who are you?
Young man, who are you?
What do you mean? I own this car, okay?
First of all, address me formally, not informally.
What do you mean?
I'm the orderly assigned to this vehicle.
What? We found it abandoned. What kind of orderly are you? Do you hear me?
What are you talking about?
What? Have you lost your mind? What's wrong with you?
You're acting wild. I'll calm you down right now.
What's wrong? What's going on? What's this?
If I see that again, I'll take you to the loony bin.
What madhouse? You're not an orderly, you're a loser. A loser. My car. This is my car. Where are you going? What are you doing? Where are you going? Stop! Where are you going? Wow. What an adventure. Seryozha, who are you? Yellow?
What happened to you? Who left?
Orderly.
What orderly?
He injected me with something.
Injected you with what? Are you an idiot?
I don't know.
Give me your phone, call your guys, so they can come get us. Come on, my phone is dead.
My phone was left in the van.
What do you mean in the van?
I won't be able to call anyone.
Wait, hold on. We can use your phone to track that van.
We can, and then what?
We'll find both the van phone.
Oh, and I'll smack that orderly in the head?
Yeah, him too, yeah.
Yeah, we have to. We have to return the van.
We definitely have to return it. We need to get out of here.
But how are we going to get out of here?
Via, what's wrong with you? Come on, wake up.
Where to? I'm not doing anything until we get 30,000 likes on this video.
30,000 likes.
At least.
Come on, guys. Please get 30,000 likes so we can finally leave. And so this guy wakes up. Get up now.
And then, and only then, when we get 30,000 likes on this video, the next part will come out. That's it. This was me, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or Via, and Seryozha. Subscriptions, likes, comments. Go ahead.
Guys, we're really counting on you, please. Via, come on, get up. They're racking them up. They're already racking them up. They're hitting the like button. Come on. Via.